Today, I'm going to show you how to create a smooth 3D camera like this.
Okay, I'll just get the image here, put them in After Effects, hide them all, and work with the first two images. First, create a camera layer, and make the rest of the layers 3D. Then, show the first image, and scale it up a bit. Until it looks something like this. Then, show the second layer. Try to arrange the scene so it matches this layout. Adjust the camera on the first image. Activate the keyframes, and after 3 frames, add another keyframe, and move it until it reaches the shape we want. Then, go to the graph editor and make the same graph. This is the graph I use the most when working on camera animation. It gives a smooth look. Add a null object, and do the same idea for the second layer. Move the camera to the right until it reaches the shape we want. And adjust the graph editor until it looks like this.